the mountains where I come from. I come from a real rural place. It's like the hills have eyes, but with nice people and no deformed zombie people, okay? So it's kind of like that. And in between all these solid lines, okay? All these solid lines that you see here are all the rivers that flow through my hometown. And as we progress through my arm too, you'll see this design here. That's called uno nahi. It represents fish scales and carving, okay? Right there. So that design is situated all throughout my arm. So it represents the sea. And who's the god that channels through me every day? Tangaroa. And it has a second meaning for myself because I come from a real rural place. It's called Ngā Huru Manu, which is called bird feathers.